Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we finally got let out of lockdown so we can go camping. So where are we heading for? We're heading for Echuca, and we're going to be camping on the Murray somewhere, next to the Murray really, not on the Murray. Campsite, I don't know. I'll find out when I get up there, to be quite honest with you. We're just going to get to Echuca, maybe grab some lunch, maybe not. And then we're going to head out to the Murray and find a campsite somewhere. Who knows where. Let's hit the road. We made it to the Port of Echuca, so we're in Echuca right now. Beautiful day here, I must say. A little bit of a village thing here. You can have a quick look around. Doesn't cost you anything. It's a freebie, which is a change, which is good, isn't it? And then we've got a visitation centre. Free entry. Got to have your mask. Guess where I left my mask? In the car, as you do. Being Friday, it's not people here, that's for sure. No, I suppose. Oh, cracked it for a good weekend. Book a cruiser just over my shoulder here. We got PS Canberra, Port of Murray, PS MEU. Emmylou, sorry. Oops, made a mistake. Lots of people in. It's a Friday, surprising. Beautiful day, though, I must say. It's a pub. I think we might just go down and have a look at the river itself. What do you reckon? That'd be a great idea.
Looks like it's been there a while.
Forever. Okay, mate. Warby.
So you reckon, does this look like a place we can bring a crowd?
Not much of a crowd. It's further down. Don't know, do we?
The road goes out here. Yeah, it just made it worse.
You know, I should be sitting in the car and there should be Ed bloody jumping in the puddle and doing this.
My winch.
His winch, I just gotta shut up and do what I'm told.
Yep. You got to undo them, mate. I don't have soft shackles.
Oh, Oh, I've got soft shackles. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Just don't drop the bloody pin.
Is that water flowing or am I moving?
No, you're moving.
Okay.
You say that now. All right, let's get this winching process done. I got him out. The FJ, mate. What a beast. Wasn't a straight pull. We had to go off the tree just over there to get the camper back on the track. So he's right to go. Looks like he's just left me here standing. Should make him walk back. All right, we're going to get to this campsite eventually. Just a part of the adventure. Here we go again. Let's hope he doesn't get stuck for the second time today. We made it to camp, finally, after getting Nass out of that hole, as you saw earlier on in the video. Camp's all set up, ready to go. Got fire pit happening, the New King's fire pit. I'm going to put a couple of steaks on that for dinner tonight. Already had a drink already and some chippies and all the rest of it, so we're going to settle down and have dinner tonight. All right, let's get stuck in. Nass, I'm a bit hungry. What do you got, mate?
We got chips.
What sort of chips?
What sort of chips? You know me, Ed. I always bring out the fancy stuff.
Let's have a look.
Ready? You've got a choice. Bourbon glazed sticky ribs. Sweet chili and sour cream. One more, don't go away. Portuguese chicken with lemon and oregano.
Nass.
What's your choice, Ed?
Oh, bourbon chips would be nice,
Bourbon
mate.
chips. I
Yeah,
knew
bourbon
you'd say
chips.
bourbon chips, mate. I hate bourbon. Love these chips, though. There's a chip ad for you.
Okay. This is the first time we've actually cooked some steaks on, so we've got some charcoal happening in there, and it's going to be pretty good. So we'll just turn these steaks over and see how we go. Look at that. Oh, they're looking good. This is going to be a nice dinner tonight. And then here we are. We're in the wilderness, and we're in this unique creature's place. If we sneak up quietly, we might see one. They're rare and endangered. And there it is. It's called an Aussie YouTuber. We might be able to sneak up on him while he's filming. Careful, they bite. All right, okay, I'm packed up, ready to head home. Had 4 days here on the Murray, it's been fantastic. Just outside Echuca, about 8 k's. So I've got about a 2-hour drive to get home. We're gonna pop into town at Echuca, grab some brekkie, and then head on home, and then back to the grind. It's been great getting out here finally, after that COVID thing. We're allowed to run free, so to speak. All right, guys, don't forget, we'll see you in the next video, and hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.